Hi, in this video, we will learn how to install VS Code on your Windows machine. Simply go to your favorite browser and type VS Code. You probably click on the first link, and that's the official website of Visual Studio Code. This will automatically detect your OS and suggest you the download. But if you want to download for some other operating system like Mac OS or Linux, so you can select it from here only, or you can simply click on this button and Visual Studio Code will be downloaded. Alright, download is complete. Now go to show in folder. Double click the setup. Simply click I accept the agreement. Next. This will be the location. You can set it manually, but I will suggest for the default, and at least 250 MB of free disk space is required. Alright, next. Start folder will be uh, again the default. Click next. Now you can check these boxes for creating a desktop icon or adding the open with code menu. I'll probably let it be the default add to path. Next. Okay, now ready to install. Just click install. Alright, the setup is completed. Visual Studio Code is installed on your Windows machine. Simply click finish. The process is done. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel.